When you see this right here, you know it's a Outre kind of day. When I saw her video, I was like, girl, I'm doing it. Dang. Outre Proof Frontal, the widow's peak hairline that's popping right now. Ignorant parts on top of ignorant parts.
I need y'all to know that.
Would y'all come up with new lace too? That hairline is, Hey y'all, hey, what's going on? What's going on, y'all? I'm excited about today. Because I get to do something that I have never done within this wig community journey. This is a first for me. What am I talking about? I'm talking about a widow's peak, y'all. That's popping right now. The widow's peak hairline, the all the things hairline. And I'm gonna try today. As y'all see, my hairline is fine, but you can kind of see it there. It just kind of goes like this and then a little bit like that and like that. I don't have a widow's peak, so I don't know how this is about to look on me. But I'm going to tell you who it looked fly on top of fly on. My girl, Kat. Beauty with Kat. We probably share a lot of subscribers. She is super dope when it comes to this hair. When I saw her video, I immediately knew. I was like, girl, I'm doing it. So shout out to the good cousin Kat, y'all. If y'all have not seen that video, go see it. When you see this right here, you know it's a Outre kind of day. Okay, how I'ma look with a widow's peak? How I'ma look? All right, y'all. Dang. Outre perfect hairline, true frontal, fully hand tied, 13x6 lace frontal wig. I believe Kat did style 701. This is 704. So yeah, so that's the difference between the video that I saw of Kat's and then this one. This one is 704. And I have deep auburn. Hold on, let me get y'all to see that. Bam, right there. Peak 704, okay? Deep auburn. They have colors 1, 1B, 2, deep auburn, ginger, tiramisu, 4, natural honey, plum wine, chocolate caramel, rose brown. Oh my goodness. Let me see what's up in this ball. Flip it, zigzag it, C-shape it, middle part it. Deeper, wider, lace frontal, which means ignorant parts on top of ignorant parts, y'all.
I need y'all to know that.
Vanish HD Plus transparent lace, pre-attached elastic band, and it is glueless. All the things your wig won't do, True Frontal will do that for you. Or whatever Joe prophesied. 22 inches. The different wigs have different sizes. Like for instance, the Peak 701, I believe Kat said it was 26 inches. Oh, let me take picture. No ma'am. No ma'am. I know who that is. Oh, yeah. Look at the definition of that hairline, y'all. I don't know how this is about to look, but that lace is, baby. Would y'all come up with new lace too? That is beautiful. It has the adjustable elastic band if you want to wear it glueless. If you want to melt it, go ahead and melt it down. 3 combs. You have your adjustable strap. This frontal has so much space, y'all. And that shape, that definition, that hairline is... Let me see. I'm just gonna put it on. Ooh. Let me get it together. Yeah, look at it. Look how the frontal looks. Look at that hairline. Look at that, y'all. That is personality. Cause baby, most hairlines just don't go straight across. There's some swoops in there somewhere. There's some hills to climb. But look at that. Ooh, yes, honey. And this is nice and full. It's the perfect amount of density. This is good. And oh, baby, look, okay, let's go ahead and style this. I'm just gonna follow Beauty with Kat, y'all. She put a lot of people on these true frontal wigs, so big shout out. I'm just gonna follow her steps, mainly just pressing that hairline, getting that hairline in order. And she actually plucked more. She customizes hairlines beautifully. Generally, I don't, because I like for you guys to see what it looks like as close as I can to out of the box, especially for like synthetic wigs. But I'm gonna go ahead and listen. She has inspired me, so we're gonna do a little plucking today. All right, y'all ready? Outre, you know what you're doing. Hold a minute, y'all.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night.